Hola! Welcome back to Speak Spanish Easily. Today, we're going to learn something very useful: how to order food in Spanish. Imagine you're in a Spanish-speaking restaurant. You sit down, and the waiter comes to your table. What do you say? Don't worry, I'll teach you step by step. Let's start. First, you can say, Hola. It means hello. Very easy. Now, if you want to say I want, you can say quiero. Repeat. Quiero. For example, quiero agua. That means I want water. Quiero agua. Or quiero una pizza. I want a pizza. So remember, quiero equals I want. Now, there is a more polite way to order. You can say quisiera. Repeat. Quisiera. It means I would like. For example, quisiera un café, por favor. I would like a coffee, please. That's a very useful phrase. And don't forget, por favor. It means please. So you can say quisiera un café, por favor. Very good. Now, what if you want to know the price? You can ask, ¿Cuánto cuesta? Repeat, ¿Cuánto cuesta? It means, how much does it cost? For example, ¿Cuánto cuesta la pizza? How much does the pizza cost? And finally, when you finish eating, you need the bill. You can say, La cuenta, por favor. Repeat, La cuenta, por favor. It means, the bill, please. Now, let's put everything together in a real conversation. Imagine Sarah is in a restaurant. Waiter. Hola. Buenas tardes. Hello. Good afternoon. Sarah. Hola. Quisiera una pizza, por favor. Hello. I would like a pizza, please. Waiter. Claro. Of course. Sarah. Y quisiera un agua, por favor. And I would like some water, please. Waiter. Claro. After eating, Sarah. La cuenta, por favor. The bill, please. Waiter. Claro. And Sarah asks, ¿Cuánto cuesta? How much does it cost? See? You can already order food in Spanish. Try saying them out loud today. And remember, un poquito de español cada día. A little Spanish every day. I'm Sarah, and this is Speak Spanish Easily. Hasta luego. See you later.